two major insurers, but only one can truly protect what matters most. Which one actually stands out? On one side, Hippo Insurance, the modern, tech-driven disruptor. On the other, Amica Mutual, a trusted name with over a century of experience. Let's cut through the advertising and focus on what really counts. We'll award points in each key area and you'll see for yourself who really wins. The winner may just surprise you. Here's how we're gonna tackle this. We'll compare Hippo and Amica across 5 main categories: price and value, digital experience, customer service, coverage options, and reputation and stability. So grab a snack and let's jump into the first round. Starting with price and value, so Hippo comes right out the gate swinging with their competitive modern rates. Discounts if you love smart home tech. Honestly, who doesn't want cheaper insurance just for having a smart thermostat? But there's a bit of a catch. If your home is older, the savings might not apply because availability gets limited. Amica, on the other hand, they give you those classic dividend options, so potentially you get some money back. Bundling discounts are there too, which is always a vibe. But to get the full suite of coverage, you might notice Amica's base premiums are a little higher. Still, Hippo does edge out on bang for your buck here, you just get more value for less. Hippo takes this round. Now let's talk digital experience. Hippo is super modern. You can get a quote, buy your policy, all online, no awkward phone calls or waiting around. They even have AI to help manage your policy, plus cool smart home integrations, which is honestly next level. But if you're someone who wants to talk to a local agent, there's none of that here. Amica has a pretty decent mobile app, sure, and you get all your docs electronically. But they're a little stuck in slow-mo with traditional underwriting, so things run a bit old school. Hippo is way ahead in the digital game, they fully nail it here. For customer service, the tables actually turn a bit. Hippo processes claims pretty quickly, which is great. Except, if you check customer reviews, it's a bit of a mixed bag, so sometimes great, other times, not so much. With Amica, though, they're just consistent. Top marks on JD Power, 24/7 real humans picking up the phone, and apparently people have been happy for decades. Yes, their communication style is kind of traditional, but honestly, isn't that also kind of comforting? Clearly, Amica is the gold standard for service. Oh, and here's something kinda wild. Did you know Amica is literally the oldest mutual auto insurer in the States? They started way back in 1907. That is some serious history, right? Coverage options: Hippo covers all the essentials and throws in smart device protection, which is, perfect for the tech crowd. It's not available literally everywhere, and if you're hoping to tweak a ton of options, you might be left wanting more. Amica is all about choice. You name it, you can probably add it. Super customizable, just watch out, those add-ons can sneak up on your wallet. Still, for sheer breadth and flexibility, Amica's tough to beat. They win this round. Last, let's talk reputation and stability. Hippo is backed by strong reinsurers and they're transparent about using tech, so that's reassuring. But let's be real, they're the new kid and haven't been tested as much when big disasters hit. Amica, though, they've been around since phones had rotary dials. Over 100 years in the game, they score high marks on claims, and you just can't fake that kind of legacy, even if it means they move slower with innovation. If you want plain old reliability, Amica is where it's at. So if we mapped out all the categories like price, digital, service, coverage, reputation, you'd see Hippo's this tech-forward disruptor that's awesome for modern, digital-first folks. But Amica, they're just maxed out on classic customer care and trust. Honestly, here's the bottom line: Hippo is perfect if you're all about fast, online everything and love tech perks. But if what you really want is old-school service and flexible, battle-tested coverage, Amica just feels like home. It all depends on your vibe. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the next deep dive.